In this exercise, we're given a function y equals f of x, and we're told that f is twice differentiable, and we have a figure of the graph of f, and there's some points labeled on it. Our task is to classify f prime and f double prime at each of these points as either positive, negative, or 0, and I've made a table to fill in. Now the idea is, first of all, let's do f prime for all 3 points. F prime is positive when the function is increasing, negative when the function is decreasing, and f prime is 0 when we're at a stationary point, or when the, if you like, the tangent is horizontal. So let's draw some tangent lines here, here, and here. Now, here we see that it's horizontal. It's neither positive nor negative, so it's 0. At point B, the tangent is sloping down, we're decreasing, and so it's negative. And at point C, the function is going up, we're increasing, and so it's positive.